The lights. They're controlled by a remote control or the solar controller panel. You can set them up, speed them up, go to 6 different party modes, or you could change it to whatever mode you want. You could change it to a solid color, 6 of them, put it on a timer, dusk to dawn. The controls are over here that you simply press on the button and it changes. We have the remote control. We brought the solar box a little closer so we could show you it turning on. Going through a series of different modes. We're going to hit the very bottom right. This is a solid color. Then the next color. And the color after. And those are the solid colors, most of them. Just above the solid color is a design. It goes back and forth. And then the one after that, it trails along. And then the one after that, it changes. Then we go on the one above. And above that, we have lights, multicolor, solar, IP rated 65 for all types of weather, all types of seasons. Let's open this up, show you what it looks like and how to install it. It comes nicely packaged, all the bulbs, an instruction guide, solar string light outdoor with the remote control unit, a stake to put the solar panel on, hooks, and a USB-C charging cable. On those foul days, it needs to charge us via indoors. Plug into any brick the charging of the unit, the lights on and off in the different modes. The hookup has 7 feet of cable with 2 feet difference to each of the bulbs. Remember to pull the safety tab out for the 2032 battery. We have the on and off, the turn off timer function, the power off button. We have a white, the brightness level, positive and negative, the 2, 4, and 3 hour timer function, the light changing speeds adjustments, the dynamic modes and the 6 dynamic colors, and the 6 solid color changing areas. We're going to turn the unit on. We are lit up in blue. We can increase and decrease the brightness levels, as you can see. The timer, the different modes, and the different solid colors. 48 feet of light. Hanging up as simple as finding the hook. You're given hooks that you slide through and you hook up. When all hooked up, we'll look at it nighttime, what it looks like.